race day. Alright, what up guys? Today's race day, like I told you guys. I'm about to head to the meetup spot. And yeah, Julio's going against this car he was supposed to race a long time ago, but it didn't happen. Julio's car kept fucking up. So yeah, today's a rerun. And yeah, it should be fun. Got the whole team here. And yeah, let's see what happens, guys. So definitely taking this win though. Let's see what the pot is when we get there.
Line's not connected. See the line? Yeah, y'all can reach wherever y'all want, bro. Go ahead, do your thing. The jets is right here on the pipe. But I'm not spraying this motor yet.
No spray tonight?
Nah, I haven't sprayed the motor, period.
We hear it.
Look, I even make it comfortable for y'all. Come look. See the line? I'm gonna leave it on my seat. So before we launch, see right here?
I'm gonna be next time. I'll look.
That's it. You just look right on the seat. Just, you feel what I'm saying? Just to clarify. And but you already see it's not connected. So
that sounds fair.
I know it's supposed to be. You set the pot in about. I'm saying it about hearing it. Looking at the car. You see what it is. I don't want him to go in front. Then you think we spraying tonight? I want you to check it out.
No, I'm gonna be next time. So I'm gonna walk up to Jay's car.
Everybody will hear it. Yeah,
like he said, right?
I want you to check it good because we don't.
Nigga, you hear it. Nigga, when somebody spray, you hear it, bro. You hear it. We hear it. You already know.
That's it, but it ain't hear it.
No.
Yeah, cool.
No, this and that. So, anything else? If we break, they have?
Yeah. Jump the light, you lose.
Somebody neutral that knows how to fucking. So get somebody right now so we can fucking explain it. So it won't be no bullshit. It's point, bang. That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, come on, we go check it out. Hell yeah. Looking like big boy money. Yo, oh, you got the big boy in the back. See, I knew I got big boy from somewhere in my head. So, what's your pot? Alright, let me go. Give me 5 minutes. I'm gonna go over there and talk and then see what we got. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That should be 1,400. That go 100.
That go 100?
That go 100.
That go 100.
Brandon 100.
The mobile wash money right there.
We get to. Funny as that. It's cheese. Keep going. Nah, you better come in, boy. What you talking about? Tell them shit's a fucking nigga with your money. La creta. Dominican son los amigos de los all three of them. La creta. The whole life.
Yo, you know, coronavirus season's full effect, bro. Like,
What niggas you out of there? Add me 100. I should be. so much. You might have to get Brandon.
But y'all just adding money at this point.
Where we at right now?
Yo, whose car
Count what you got right now.
Yo, y'all all leaning on his car.
Yo, don't lean on the car. We did that on some shit that we run shit. That's my car. Alright, so 6, 7. What? 6, 7, 9, 21.
You got 700 here. You got 25.
25.
What happened?
You want the best side?
Boy got his mom's out here supporting him.
Oh. I was there about.
Alright, we out to race.
Who likes the CRX? Yo, you staying here?
Yo, pop the trunk.
I know you got him back. Yo, everybody back up. Yo, bro.
Yo, tell him pop trunk.
Watch this halfway there already.
Yo, Jordan.
Don't let him pull him out the bike. Yo, don't let him pull him out the bike. What up, bro?
Right now we're over here by JFK. Pepsi sugar, lit.
Yo. That's what I'm talking about. Straight back. Straight back. You got it. That was V. That's money. That's easy. That's easy. Easy. That's easy money. That's easy money, baby.
Yeah, Shirley.
money, baby. Easy fucking money, baby. Easy money, baby. Easy money, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Easy fucking money, baby. Easy money, baby. Easy money. Talking about, baby. Easy fucking money, baby. Easy fucking money. I was telling you, bumping that shit was about to. You was dragging on that shit, yo. Easy fucking money, baby.
Ain't the lip.
Easy money, baby.
I told you,
Easy money, bro. Bro, once you came off,
That's it's over.
bro. Once you came off, it was it. I said it was instant, bro. Instant. It was gone. Once it hit that third.
Yeah. It's probably like 2 cars, I want to say. 2.5.
Jesus Christ.
He's behind you.
Car's working. Car working.
Man, that shit be put it.
Let's say 3. Let's go with 3.
Let go.
Who took it?
Yo, Drew. Yeah,
Once I'm ready, I'll let you know. Don't worry.
Yo, bro.
Run though, bro.
What's too much?
Your lip.
Yeah, that shit full. Oh, yeah.
It's on the side.
Yeah.
Shit almost hit my car. Julio.
What's too much?
Yo, Jordan.
Turn the wheel straight, boy.
It's on that side.
Dale el flow. Look at two. The food on
Where put that shit back. Where Brandon at?
You gotta use your shirt, bro. You gotta take it off.
It's all right here.
Man, Wendy too.
Easy money. Easy money.
Hey, you fucked up, we fucked up.
We got here. It's 1,000.
Yeah, I got.
Get them fake cheeks out right now, boy. That Robichuela doing justice, nigga.
He has one.
That's that listo, nigga.
Yo, we need water for
I may be fat, but I eat better than all y'all niggas.
Ponlo ahí y le pone una vaina encima. So double the
Somebody got to put something on top of the money. But Julio's brand new phone on that. No, we put this shit on it.
Put the gauge, boy.
Yeah, put the gauge on it. Put the gauge
Put
on
the
it.
gauge.
Yeah, tell us, Chingy, put the rest of it.
Put the gauge.
Yo, turn your light on. Turn your light on.
Yo, you gotta put the gauge across.
Yeah.
You gotta spread these blueies, pal. What's up with you?
But nigga, I'm trying to make it whole first. Yo, Jordan getting cold, boy. Yo, clear, my nigga. Throw this shit across, B.
There you go, right there.
We can leave it like that. Hold up. There you go.
Yep.
Oh, spread that shit all over.
Chingy, where the rest at? Put the rest of it in there.
Hey.
There's good.
Nah, you're missing half of it right there.
Y'all that only put half. Y'all niggas.
That's all of it. Hold up, bro. Hold on. That's too.
We gotta make a whole circle with this one.
Oh, is it?
La luz.
Hold on. Hey.
Yo, I need a light. Niggas mom.
Yo, my light is trash on this phone.
Alright, this picture's gonna be literally like in 2.5. So everybody 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it.
Agarren todo.
Y'all ready? I got your picture? Yo, wait, hold on.
Whoever took the picture.